Nathan Trading Academy Daily Market Outlook for 19th June 2026. Hello traders, welcome back to Nathan Trading Academy. Let us analyze today's market action and prepare for tomorrow's trading session using our projection framework based on previous day high and previous day low and pivot points and option chain and some of the other technical tools. First, let us understand the global market view. So before we move to the charts, let us look at the macro setup. If you see the Federal Reserve, which recently kept the interest rates unchanged while maintaining a cautious stance on inflation. This has supported the US dollar and created some pressure on emerging markets. The RBI has maintained the repo rate at 5.25%, providing stability to Indian equities. Crude oil remains relatively stable and is not currently creating any kind of inflationary pressure for India. And USD INR remains in a manageable range and does not indicate any immediate stress for the Indian market. And domestic institutions, that is DII, continue to support the market. And while foreign investors, that is FII, remain selective, when we look at DII data and FII data, if you see here, FII and DII activity, FII and FPIs, as you see here, on 18th June, were net sellers by approximately 855 crore on an NSE, around 1025 crore across exchanges, that is NSE, BSE and MSCI. And DI were strong buyers with net buying like what you see here and here, that is almost 3,500 crore. This indicates that domestic institutional demand continues to absorb foreign selling pressure, which is a positive sign for market structure. So this is all about FII and DI activities, what exactly they are doing in the Indian market. Now coming to India VIX, what exactly India VIX is condition. Like as you see here, India VIX closed near at 1267 that we can observe here. That is 1267 and continues to trade at relatively low levels. Today, a declining VIX indicates a reduced fear and a lower expected volatility. So this suggests that key support and resistance levels are likely to be respected unless a major global trigger emerges overnight. Particularly if we see what is happening at the GIFT Nifty, this is the GIFT Nifty at present. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,012 or 24,008 compared to Nifty close here if you see what Nifty closed at 24,168. GIFT Nifty is showing weaker overnight sentiment because it made this high and after that it had a decline from that high. So compared to Nifty closing, particularly 24,168, GIFT Nifty is showing weaker at overnight sentiment. So which suggests a softer opening, and traders should be prepared for a gap down or flat start or flat opening. So now coming to Nifty, what exactly is going to be what happened in today's market? The Nifty, which is closed approximately 24,168 after breaking above the previous day high, that is previous day high of 24,108. Now current day, which is made 24,189, and current day low, if we see, this is 24,037. So previous day low, which is remain untouched, that is 23,970. So the structure remains bullish because Nifty continues to form higher high, like what you see here, which is forming what you see. This is the higher high structure which is making um, and higher highs and higher lows. Now coming to like option chain analysis, how it is going to what things are happened at the option chain. This is the for Bank Nifty. Let me go to Nifty. So this is the Nifty option chain analysis. So here a strong put OI visible at 24,000, like here. Uh, and a strong put OI, which is also visible at 24,100 here and here, right? And strong call OI visible at 24,200, that is 93,584, and 24,300, like 78,000, and 24,400, which is again 79,000. Why? What did it suggest? So this is suggesting that there is a support zone between 24,000 to 24,000 to 24,100. 24,000, this from here to here, which is the support, because here is the highest OI, put OI, that is the support, and 24,200 to 24,300, which these two are going to act as like a major resistance, that is the resistance zone. So fresh put writing, which has happened at 24,100, uh, fresh put writing, which has happened at 24,100, and fresh call writing, which has happened at 24,200, indicating that traders expect Nifty to initially trade inside this range, like 24,100 and 24,200. This is the initial range. And for tomorrow, the key levels, if you see, let us go to the chart and observe it. So for tomorrow, key levels, the which is going to be act very particularly at yesterday's high, that is going to be previous day high 24,108, and current day low, that is 24,037, are going to act as like a key support levels. And also if these two breaks, which is like 24,000, okay, 24,000 or 23,970, because this is the one where it is the previous day low, are going to act as a key supports. Now coming to key resistances, so that is going to be like current day high, that is 24,189, and after that 24,250 and 24,300 and 24,400 are going to be the major resistances. Uh, and the range based on the ATR, if you see the range, which is going to be 24,000 to 24,360. So this is the range which is going to be there. Now, the if you observe that bullish scenario, if Nifty sustains about 24,190, Okay, 24,190. That is going to be the current day high here, and closes above this level on a 15-minute time basis, particularly 15 minutes time basis, closes above at this level. Uh, the targets which are going to be like 24,250 are going to be the first target, and 24,300 is going to be the second target, and 24,360, which is going to be the third target. And for the bearish scenario, Nifty, if breaks 24,108, that is previous day high, if this one breaks down, then there is a room for to open 24,050 and 24,000 and also 23,970. So the downside targets are going to be are like this. Right. So now coming to the Bank Nifty, what happened today in the Bank Nifty, particularly, let me open the chart. So this is the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is already taken out previous day high, the Nifty has taken the previous day high and remains in strong bullish structure. So uh, uh, option chain analysis, if we see that Bank Nifty, which gives like a Bank Nifty, let me open and show you. This is the option chain analysis for Bank Nifty. Here, a strong put support visible at 57,500, where it is the 57,000. 500, which is the strong put support, and 58,000 also, which is showing like 20,380. These two are strong support at put side, and at call resistance, which is like 36,255 and 58,500, if you see, which is 16,667, and 59,000, which is showing almost like 26,089. These are the strong call resistance from this option chain. Uh, the For tomorrow, the levels, if we see for the Bank Nifty, the projected levels for Bank Nifty based on these levels at the support, which is going to be uh, 57, uh, 646, 57, 583, okay, and 57, triple two, or because this is the one, and this is the one, and this is the one. These are the uh, Bank Nifty levels for the support, and for resistance, that is going to be current day resistance, that is 58,021, and ahead, if we see 58,200, and ahead 58,500. So these are the important support resistances for the Bank Nifty. Uh, and bullish scenario, if we see the bullish scenario, which is going to be observed the current day high, that is going to be 58,021, and bearish scenario, which is going to be 57, 646. Below this bearish and the below above this bullish, and the levels for the above this like 58. 200, 58, 500, and 58, 800 are going to be the major resistances, and support 57, 500, and 57, 300, and 57, triple two, because this is the major support which is going to be there. Finally, just to have overlook the Sensex, how it is, what is going to be the behavior tomorrow of the Sensex. So Sensex also closed near the day high after successfully holding the above previous day high. Okay, so it's closed very near to the current day high, and it is successfully closed above in the previous day high. So which confirms that bullish structure is observed in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as long as Sensex remains above 77,218, that is previous day high, that is 77,218, the broader market structure remains going to be the positive. So most likely scenario for tomorrow, the higher time frame structure remains bullish. And however, like Gift Nifty, which is showing weaker sentiment, possibility of a flat opening. So the key level which you need to watch for the Nifty particularly, which is going to be 24,108 as which is based on the Gift Nifty condition. 24,108 is going to be this one key level. Above this, buyers remain in control, and a breakout above like this one, 24,190, 24,190 can trigger another move towards 24,250 and 24,300. So below 24,108, a pullback towards 24,000 cannot be ruled out. So these are the key levels that where you can observe in this poster also. So where you can easily refer them. All these like support and resistance for Nifty. Like here it is mentioned for Nifty 50 support and resistance, and Bank Nifty support and resistances. Okay, these are the key important levels. So for Nifty bias bullish above 24,108, and Bank Nifty bias bullish above 57,646. If you found this analysis useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nathan Trading Academy. Trade safe, manage your risk, and I will see you in the next market outlook. Thank you. Good night.